Hello everyone. Here we oftenly use the VLOOKUP. Today's session what we will do that we'll compare the two functionalities, that is VLOOKUP versus index match. Here what we oftenly use VLOOKUP, but it has lots of flaws which will be briefly defined here. Then obviously you will think that better to use the index match. So here is a table in which we want to populate the respective game the players play against the name here by using the VLOOKUP. So let's see what will happen. Let's type directly the functionality. What it is asking, which lookup value. Let's take this as a lookup value. We want to see in which table. We want to see in this, hence I have taken that table. And in which column. This is we want to populate the game, that's why it's coming the second column. So let us place it 2, and we want have to have exact match. So as you can see that all values are properly populated. Let's first see what is the demerit of using VLOOKUP. So here what happen if I insert a row or a column between this, these values will get deteriorated. So you can see that it required that exactly the format or placement of the column should be same so that proper values can be populated here. Another way, if we just swap this here, it also create a problem. Hence what is there, that which value we want to see refer in the table should be in the first column, as we want to see refer the name and populate the game. So name should be there in the first column of the table array from where we want to populate the data. Now let's see what will happen if we use the index match. So index match is divided into two parts. First it will match and then it will see the index. So let's split it in two way. First run the match formula. So match is there. What lookup value? We want to see this lookup value in which array? In this array, and it should be exact match, that is 0. So as you can see that Steve Smith is number 4th, which is Steve Smith is the row number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4th number position. The Steve Smith is, hence it populate the row number. Next we will go for the index functionality. What it will do, it will find the value from the respective rows which has been identified. So index, which array we want to see, we want to populate this array, and row number should be this which is came from the match, and column number should be let me complete this is there, it should come the row number 4, and that's all. So what is there, that we have selected the column from where the values is required to be populated and referred the which row number. Now what we will do, let's run it in one go. Index match, that means first will be the match, then we'll go to index, then the formula that will replace the usage of VLOOKUP is index. Index is the array is the this one, and row should be match, as we have done earlier. Match which lookup value, we have to look up this value in where, in this array, and this should be exact match. Now let's close it, and you can see here, as we have seen in earlier, that whenever we insert a row, it deteriorate the values populated here. So let's first remove these two columns because this is not required now. Now let's see what will happen if I insert a value. As you can see that VLOOKUP is got impacted, but index match is working fine. So this is the benefit of using index match in place of VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you feel my video is really helpful to you.